Okay, let's test to see if there's any lag with the cursor, if the cursor is laggy in any way. Okay, and now what we're gonna have to do, let's select the image, and now let's go to, we're gonna have to go to, actually let's press Command plus A, and after we press Command plus A, just go to image, and here in image, in edit, sorry, click on copy merged, and then paste special and select paste in place. Perfect. Now we have our image here. Now we can go to filter and select filter gallery. Make sure you select samp, and now let's play with settings here. Let's see which one works the best. I like this one here. More details, yes. Kind of, I need some of the details here. Okay, and then I can click on OK here, and now look at the results here. Okay. I don't know why it's not changing. Okay, now it changed. And now what we have to do is press on your keyboard Command plus A, and now you press Command plus C, and now Command plus paste, and here write Illustrator, and now here just open a resolution you want, and now here I'm just gonna press Command plus V, and now hold Shift when you resize like this, and now I'm just gonna click on here image trace. Okay, and now here in advanced, make sure you click on this image trace panel, and you're gonna see this panel here, and here make sure you also check ignore white, and here let's actually play with, just test adjust threshold, and even the maybe. Now what you can do is, once you decided that you like all the settings here, now we can go here and click on expand. Now I can hold Control and just zoom out, hold Option to create a copy, and now with this one here selected, so I'm just gonna, you can also go here to window and then look for the pathfinder if you can't find it here. Now with the pathfinder, with this selected here in pathfinder, just click on merge and then on unite, and now here this one here I can change to white and then add some stroke, something like this. And if I move here, now this here also have some stroke. You can also do this other way around, like instead of you add here white, you add like maybe something like this, you know, or this one now is white, now this one is black. Or you just, if you added the outline here, you don't need two, you can only use one if you add outline. Depends now what you're trying to achieve, but this one looks pretty good now. Not doesn't look that bad. Here if we have this one here, and I'm just gonna lock this selection here, and I'm gonna move this this here. Now I'm gonna bring this forward. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with this. Yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more, and take care.